Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we talk about some of the difficulties in going with a cheap public defender instead of an experienced trial attorney. Many public defenders are experienced, have jury trials under their belts, really want to help people out, but it's difficult to get individual attention when the public defender could have 20 cases that day and they walk into the courtroom yelling, okay, and they're calling a list of cases. It goes, okay, which one are you say Johnston? And go, okay, Johnston, what are you charged with? Public defender, guy goes, I'm not sure. Public defender goes, I'm not sure either, because he says, I'm covering for someone else. So, let's see. What a prominent attorney posted. The problem with some of the public defenders are, you get what you get. Unlike a private criminal defense attorney, the court appoints you a public defender, and you're stuck with them. Let's say, and while sometimes it isn't a problem, it can become one if you don't trust the person or don't believe they're doing anything to protect you. Sometimes the public defenders are too cozy with prosecutors and judges. Next, many of the public defenders are overworked and underpaid. Public defenders are government employees, meaning they make less than private criminal defense attorneys. And many people don't have the money to hire a private attorney. So the public defenders have massive caseloads, especially for all the people who are usually locked up in prison are the ones that are with public defenders because, in some states they didn't have money for bails, didn't have money for lawyers. When public defenders have so many cases, there could be mistakes. So, since the defendant is paying for the legal fees of a private attorney, there are advantages. Let's see, and some of them of having I call it a private lawyer, one-on-one time. Private attorneys choose what cases they want to work with. That means they have smaller caseloads than many public defenders. With less cases to work on, they're able to spend a greater amount of time discussing with you nuances of your case and extra time to do the best for you. Let's see. Also, let's say your attorney, private attorney, usually you can reach. Let's say my law office, I call my clients every single week, often on nighttime or on weekends. You're never going to reach any of these public defenders after hours, even if it is an emergency. And also consider resources. Let's say public defenders sometimes are part-time working out of their houses and don't have the resources. Next, easy to contact. Criminal defense attorneys are easier to get a hold of than public defenders. Your attorney can be reached after hours, etc. You're not going to do that with public defender. And reputation, if going with an attorney who's certified with some type by the Supreme Court is better than someone who is not certified. Certified attorneys often work harder to ensure the results of your case are positive and you're taken care of before, during, and after the court proceedings. So if you know someone who's charged with a crime, they need to act fast and find the right defense. Choose a lawyer that's been around the block, not where you're just saying, well, I want the cheapest one at all. For more information on criminal defense and attorneys, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation in New Jersey, contact Ken Vercammen in Edison, 732-572-0500. Thank you.